I did Kaley Cuoco's makeup for the Critics' Choice Awards, and here's a breakdown using all Clarins. Put this on for 20 minutes and you are gonna be so hydrated you won't know what to do. So that's how we started this look. So if you wanna protect, nourish, firm up, throw more oxygen into it, you wanna use this, baby. This is the double serum. It's double the work. It's got double serum, and then when you click it together, you can either do a small drop or a large drop. I'm gonna do some large drops. You can see it's 2 different serums that you wanna warm up, activate, mix together. This is how the French do, honey. This is what I was taught. And you wanna press it into the skin. And don't forget the neck, and don't forget the back of the neck, but you wanna press it in so it really gets in, and also we're not tugging away at the face. So that way, we're not aging ourselves. This stuff is magic. Look how glowy I am. Oh, it's great. Now, if you use it right away, you'll see within like 60 seconds that everything is gonna look brighter and it's going to lift. But if you use over time, it really, really works permanently. So this is one of those things where you're like, what eye cream do I get? This is the one that you get. This is a good one. This one works. And for anti-aging, I'm telling you, it's fantastic. Next, we use the extra firming. This is just like it says now. You want to go and just put it on your face, but no, we got to warm it up, we got to activate it, and then we got to press it on. So we're going to press it on. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Press it on. Let's get that neck. Don't forget the back. I mean, look how hydrated I am. This is what was so important about this look, is getting the skin to be beyond hydrated. It's all about the skin. Also use the Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm. Super hydrating, gorgeous, feels great, and look how glowy I am. So now it's just about adding minimal makeup to get this gorgeous look. And this is a really interesting product because all you do is take this powder and kind of brush it into the brow, and it just adds a little bit of color. How pretty is that? It's super natural. And then you go in on the other side and you brush up with the brow gel.
For scaring those things away.
So that is what we did, honey. And then you can go back in if you want to make it a little, and just keep going back in and placing the powder wherever you want. Like gorge. Taking the 4 eyeshadows, this is the Intense and Long, and this is 01, the Fairy Tale Nude. And I love this. So we took a little of this light color and kind of washed it all over. A little more of the light color. See how much pigment it has? So much pigment, I barely picked any up. Take the little darker color and kind of place it on the lid in the corner. Like just like that. And then I took like the smallest amount of the purple and kind of just dashed over like this. And that was it. So pretty. This eyeshadow goes on really smooth and gorge. Now I use the Mascara Super Volume in 01, which is Intense Black, and it is super intense black, and I love that. And I'm gonna show you. We use no liner, which is kind of becoming this trend of ours that we're doing, because the better you look and your skin is, and you can really get away with less makeup. So we just put a couple layers. What a difference. So beautiful. I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm actually gonna do it in the camera, see if I can get even more. It's gorge. Okay, don't forget to put it on your lower lashes as well. Just a little lower lash for a little definition. So I took the Peach SOS, which is a primer, and I put it all over the face, and it's supposed to blur imperfections. So I kind of went heavy under the eyes. See that? Kind of highlights too, and it blurs a little bit. So pretty. And then I took that delicious mixture of the lighter foundation. So I took a couple drops of the Skin Illusion, and a couple drops of the Radiance-Plus Golden Glow Booster, which gives like a little bit of a glow. How cute is this? So I did a couple drops of this. 1, 2, 3. And then I mixed it around. Just putting the boosts in there again. Okay. And then I mixed that around and kind of went over all of that like as a light tinted moisturizer. You can see it's very light, it's beautiful. It evens out the skin tone, but it's very breathable and beautiful. As you can see, still glowing. Then I went over it with the fluid, which is a little heavier coverage in areas that I felt like needed a little bit more coverage. So I have a little discoloration right there. So wherever you would need it, put a little bit up here, hiding all the imperfections. Just another wash. But again, making sure that I blended it really well so that there was no imperfections. Next, I took the concealer in 02. This is the Instant Smoothing Long Lasting Revive the Eyes, and it sure does do that. Just put a little underneath in both areas like that. Also on any imperfections, there's a little pimple right there. Get that. And then just blend this out very lightly. Almost like you're putting on eye cream. Look how great that looks. Gorgy Morgy. This is Clarins Glow to Go. So this was in Golden Peach, and you can see it is such a beautiful color. It's like this crazy golden vibes. And then I just blended it out on the cheeks and carried it up. So it gave off a really pretty glow, but also a nice little contour. Loved it. So pretty. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Then I took this Ever Matte, which is a shine control mineral powder, to take away kind of this T-zone vibes. See that? We just get that nice, take away that for pictures. Even here a little bit, in there, right here. Maybe a little bit of the cheek right like that. And then I just gave the littlest, smallest little kiss of Jolie Color. Just a dab, barely any, but just enough to kind of give a little bit more definition. You can see it's so pretty. It's gorge. How many times have I said gorge? I just can't get over my skin and this makeup. Also, I took a little bit of this Instant Smooth Perfecting. I call it the Perfecting Touch. And you can place it anywhere that you feel like you are getting a little shiny, or if you have uneven texture or even large pores, you can kind of lay this in there to begin with before you put the makeup on, or you can go in and touch up after. This is kind of like one of those makeup artist tools that we use like on set, and we really use it all the time. It's great, and sometimes you don't want to keep layering powder, so you layer this. Super sheer, nude gorge, and that's it. I mean, that's all she wrote, honey. I think I might, oh yeah, then I took the Key Makeup, which I love to do. Set the look, set the mood. I think I don't know if I'm forgetting anything, but this is the look we created for Kaley, and Clarins helped me, and I love it. So go out there, create it yourself, and tag me, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, Clarins, and thank you.